Did you know that you can actually earn money by doing the normal shopping that you do on websites anyway? Let me show you exactly how you can do that. Just head over to Rakuten.com. They will give you cash back on 3,500 stores so that you can start saving money that you're spending anyway. Click on the Add to Chrome button so you can add the Chrome extension so that you can save money on websites that you're just surfing on anyway. And as I say, get paid to shop at your favorite stores. Sound too good to be true? Here's how this actually works. 15 million people earning cash back with Rakuten, $2.2 billion paid out to their members since 1999, and 14,000 5-star Trustpilot reviews. Not too shabby. Making some cash back from shopping online is a pretty cool way to start earning some side income, but it can be pretty slow. So if you want to accelerate that process, make it a lot quicker, you want to find out exactly how I generate 5 figures every single month online, just go ahead and follow me on my channel. Click on the link in my bio to follow my training step by step, and I'll show you exactly how you can do the exact same thing.